Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota Tundra Crewmax TRD off-road. This is a 5-passenger pickup truck in midnight black, and under the hood you'll find a 5.7 liter V8 driving on 18-inch wheels. And some of the great exterior features on this Tundra includes parking sensors on the front and rear bumper, proximity smart key system, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. And like I mentioned, this Tundra does have a smart key system, so we can press these two lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it, it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle here. Now you do get a blind spot monitoring system inside the side mirror as well. In the door you have your power windows and locks with some storage on the bottom. Next to the door you have your different lighting options. You also have your power adjustable side mirrors. Now inside, this Tundra comes equipped with black leather seating. On the top you do also get a panoramic. This Tundra is a push to start, so we're going to push the brake in and push the start button right behind the steering wheel there. On the steering wheel, you have your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. You'll find your Toyota safety sense on the bottom right with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control. You also have these arrows up top. This allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. If we take a look at our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it will display any audio that's playing along with any device that's connected. You have your navigation map on the right side as well, where you can set your destination. Now if we go into audio here, you have your standard AM and FM. Now I did mention you can also connect your phone through Bluetooth. Going into reverse, that'll bring up the backup camera for you. Underneath is the climate control. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. You'll find your drivetrain selector on the left side here. You have your trailering settings on the left, along with that push to start. On the bottom, you have some storage and cup holders, and some of the features you have here includes your USB ports. You have your parking assist, where you can turn those sensors on and off. You have your 12-volt outlet, and you find your driver and passenger heated seats. Taking a quick look inside the back here, there's some storage on the bottom, just like the driver's side. We're continuing with the black leather seating. Then behind the front passenger seat, you do also get an extra storage compartment as well. These rear seats do fold down. It's as easy as just lifting this little handle. Seats click into place, giving you a flat storage space at the back. To access the cargo, there is a little handle here right next to the backup camera. We can just get that pull. That'll come down nice and easy. Of course, providing plenty of storage space. The Tundra also comes in with a spray and bed liner as well. Taking a last look at our Toyota Tundra, once again, some of those great interior features includes your power moonroof, driver and passenger heated seats, and they push to start. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail.